Facts for kids about oak trees. More than 600 species of oak trees exist throughout the world. Each type of oak has specific distinguishing factors, including leaves of different shapes, barks of various textures and leaves that produce different colors during autumn. Types. Oak is a type of deciduous tree that sheds all its leaves during the fall. In addition, oaks belong to the beech tree family, also known scientifically as the Quercus or Lithocarpus family. Size. Oak trees can reach heights as tall as 70 feet and widths just over 9 feet. Additionally, the spread of branches may span between 85 and 135 feet. Reproduction. Oaks begin producing seeds, called acorns, at some point after reaching 20 years of age and before 50. Acorn production occurs during the fall and varies in numbers from year to year. After oaks reach 100 years, they will begin to produce an average of 2,200 acorns yearly. Habitat. Oaks grow in a wide variety of habitats including dry slopes, wetlands and dry ridges. Some types of oaks can withstand poorly drained soils.